Hey everybody, this is Peter from Cambridge Community Television. I hope you're doing well. Making stuff helps keep me sane in strange times, in good times, and quite frankly, in all times. So though CCTV's physical space no longer is accessible, we still exist in the hearts of each and every one of you. Just kidding. No, well, not kidding. But actually all of us are working as hard as ever, adapting, figuring out how to keep things going and make media in this situation. And it turns out making media at home is very possible. So in this video, we will cover a few home production techniques, and then I'll show you how to easily submit your content to our channel. So let's get started. Okay, so how do you make video content at home? With video content, there are a few quick and easy ways if you have a webcam. On Macs, you can record yourself using a program called Photo Booth, which is very user-friendly. Just click the film button and then hit record. You can then drag the recording onto your desktop and voila, there is the file. You can also use QuickTime. Open it up and select File, New Movie Recording, and then hit the record button. On PCs, you can do the same using the Camera app on Windows 10 or similar software. Though we're fairly Apple-based at CCTV, please reach out if you need additional help. I personally have limited experiences with modern PCs, but I'm happy to try to help, so if you have any questions, email me at peter@cctvcambridge.org. Anyways, if using your smartphone, you can find your camera app, switch to the video setting, and record something from there. And of course, if you own a camcorder or camera that will capture video, that will also work. And bam, you can now record video content. Now, if you want to get fancy, you can do a little editing. It's not required, but if you're a control freak like me, getting comfortable with some basic editing software can go a very long way. For Mac, you can use iMovie, or for PC, there's also Windows Movie Maker. They're very user-friendly, they're free, and there's a ton you can do with them, so they're really a blast to dig into, so check those out. There's also editing options directly on your smartphone. iMovie and Windows Media Maker both have editors that you can do from either an Android or an Apple phone. So if that's what you prefer, you've got that as well. But again, that's only if you want to edit it. We don't require that you edit what you create. And great, so that's as simple or as complicated as you want to make it. I think in these times I tend to try to start with simple projects, and then as I get more comfortable with the software, with the workflow, I start to add more and more complicated things onto it. And now that you've created your media, you can easily submit it to our online submission form. You can find that at www.cctvcambridge.org/submit. From here, you will be asked a few questions about your program, and then there will be an upload box, and boom! You didn't think you could, but you did it. I'm just kidding. You were great. You're smart. Whatever. After you submit, CCTV will distribute your content to our community through our cable channels, our website, YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever we do. We do a lot. I don't know. It's a different department than me. I don't have to worry about it. But it's times like these where it is most important to be creating and sharing sincere, effective media of all kinds. Not only is it good for the community, but it feels good to do as well. So get cracking, and if you have any questions about anything we went over in this video, please send me an email at peter@cctvcambridge.org. Anyways, stay safe, stay sane, and keep making great media.